Redmi, a well-known brand for its affordable and feature-packed smartphones, has been expanding its product line to include laptops as well. The latest addition to their notebook family is the 2023 Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen version, which boasts significant upgrades and improvements compared to its predecessors. One of the key highlights of the Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen version is the use of the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 to 7840HS processor, which ensures smooth performance and enhanced multitasking capabilities. The appearance of the Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen version has undergone some simplification. The laptop now comes in a single color option gray, maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. The A-side cover, crafted from aluminum alloy, has been stripped of intricate appearance elements, embracing a more minimalist look. The Redmi logo, previously found on the side, has been replaced with the Xiaomi brand logo, reflecting the company's commitment to a unified branding approach. In this generation of Redmi Book Pro 15 is the upgraded refresh rate of the screen. Unlike the previous version, which had a 90 Hz refresh rate, the current model boasts a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It continues to be a matte non-touch screen with border protection. The resolution remained high at 3200 by 2000, resulting in a pixel density of 242 ppi, ensuring crisp and clear visuals for users. The full screen brightness measured at the central point is an impressive 532.38 nits, which is considered excellent for a Windows laptop. This brightness level is sufficient for comfortable usage even in well-lit environments, such as a coffee shop with ample natural light. The average brightness of the 15.6-inch screen is measured at 77.65%, and the minimum brightness at the edges is around 400 nits. In terms of color accuracy, the Redmi Book Pro 15 scores impressively, covering 94.93% of the sRGB color gamut. This makes the screen suitable for various tasks, including basic image creation and editing. The performance of the 2023 Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen version is nothing short of impressive, especially with the introduction of the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. The R5 and R7 processors in this lineup are based on the advanced 4nm process technology and the new Zen 4 architecture, bringing significant improvements in computing power and efficiency. The R7 version, equipped with the 7840HS chip, boasts a CPU clock speed of 4.0 GHz, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. The graphics processing is handled by the AMD Radeon 780M, which provides a full power configuration capable of reaching 54 watts. In PC Mark, which assesses comprehensive performance across CPU, GPU, storage, and other hardware components, the Redmi Book Pro 15 achieved a score of 6749, showcasing its prowess for daily work tasks and more. In 3D Mark, the laptop excelled with a score of 3164 points for DX12-based Time Spy and 7141 points for DX11-based Fire Strike. During a continuous stress test of CPU rendering using Cinebench, the Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen version achieved an average score of 5732.67 CB, displaying an impressive 16% improvement in CPU performance compared to its predecessor. For productivity tasks using Adobe software, the laptop performed exceptionally well. In Photoshop, the score more than doubled compared to the previous generation, enabling smooth handling of medium-intensity photo editing and image creation. Premiere Pro and After Effects showed results close to the previous generation, indicating their capability to handle video editing and animation tasks effectively. In gaming, the Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen version exhibited solid performance in less demanding titles like CS:GO and Dota 2. These games maintained frame rates around 90 FPS and 115 FPS, respectively. However, with the more demanding Cyberpunk 2077, the laptop faced higher pressure, achieving around 13 FPS during gameplay. By adjusting image quality settings and resolution, users can optimize the gaming experience and achieve smoother gameplay. The Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen Edition continues to be equipped with a 72 Wh battery, providing a substantial power source for extended usage. To complement this, the laptop comes with a popular Xiaomi 100 watts white USB-C charger, a versatile and efficient power adapter. Apart from powering and charging the notebook, this charger can also deliver higher power to charge other Xiaomi and Redmi products, such as smartphones, which is a highly praised feature. The laptop can be fully charged from 1% power in less than 2 hours, ensuring minimal downtime and quick turnarounds. The 2023 Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen Edition is undeniably an attractive option in the realm of thin and light notebooks, with a performance range of around 5,000 yuan or $699. Despite the slight increase in price compared to the previous generation, the enhancements and improvements in this version make it a compelling choice for consumers. Despite the increase in price, the Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen Edition remains friendly to the budget-conscious audience, especially given its significant improvements over the previous generation. Considering the competitive landscape of thin and light notebooks in the $699 price range, the Redmi Book Pro 15 Ryzen Edition stands out as a strong contender. Its blend of performance, appearance, and affordability makes it a difficult option to overlook when searching for a reliable and capable laptop for work, entertainment, and productivity tasks. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.